Must be bed.
That's not a centipede, mate. That's a metapede.
Metapede. Not wrong. Have a look at it.
Go on, metapede. Let that bite you, see what happens.
Yeah, no thanks.
He's off.
You didn't love it.
I don't reckon he uses his legs. He's going like a snake. Look at him go.
G'day all. I'm down with Mr. Kingsley Murray Crab, who's doing a good deed right now.
Oh, it's got a bloody filthy nappy in it.
Oh my God. We've found a filthy nappy in a plastic bag floating down the river. Now, I've actually covered this sort of thing before. Please take your rubbish home, guys. It's just not right. One, we don't want to pick your shit up. Two, who leaves a nappy in a river? Just ridiculous. Anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And check out Murray Crab Fishing. We're going to get stuck into some fishing right now after we've done dealing with the nappy.
Oh no, I took water on it.
Oh, yuck.
Vice versa.
Yeah.
Collabs fucking help everyone out.
Yeah, these are, what's he got, 4,000 or 5,000 now? Something like that.
He'll slow down a bit. He got to 3 really quick, but I don't think he's gone much because he's not doing anything.
He's not, yeah, well, yeah, he's just got a newborn kid, I can understand that. Like, yeah.
Pardon?
That'll be me in a year, no worries.
I'm not saying,
hey?
I'm not saying that's, you know, the bad or anything, but I'm just saying, like, because he hasn't been uploading that.
Well, yeah, no, that's right. No, I wasn't saying that either. I was just.
I need to, yeah, I need to probably go through and change some titles and thumbnails and try and generate some more growth.
Oh.
Probably should change the squid video and put calamari in the title.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Is it?
Please, on, it's got one.
Finally. Yes, please.
The pruddy. Real pruddy.
These pliers aren't working very well for me. They're usually not too bad, but he's taken all the hooks. There we go.
See? Dang.
Alrighty. Lovely, lovely Murray cod. I'd what hazard that? High 30s, 40 maybe? It's about 40.
I wouldn't say 40, maybe 30.
36, 37? Yeah, probably about that. Lovely, lovely creature. I'm going to get him back pretty quick because he's not too happy. Just having a bit of a swim. He wants to go already. Rightio guys, that's it for this episode. If you haven't checked out Murray Crab Fishing, go and do that. I'll leave a link down in the description below, as well as a little thingamajiggy up in the end screen as well. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Just the one cod, so I don't think you'll see a vlog from Dinger, but check him out anyway. Just keep flicking.